welcome to Summer Rain Channel. We are here in Lancaster Hotel for the celebration of Araw ng Kalayaan here in Lebanon. What we have this evening is a diplomatic reception for our Independence Day 2019 celebration. We are privileged to be shoulder to shoulder with these respected officials of the Lebanese Republic, Lebanese business community and the elite, foreign dignitaries, and the Filipino community. Wow, the attendance is visibly overwhelming. All the guests seems to be thrilled to be here tonight. Her Excellency Ambassador Bernardita Catalia, confidently beautiful on her Filipiniana gown, stand tall in welcoming all the guests this evening. She literally showed everyone the Filipino hospitality, all smile and poise in every click of the camera. And the event started honoring our national anthem and of the host country, Lebanon.
Ladies and gentlemen, MABUHAY! MABUHAY! Welcome to our celebration of the 121st anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence. No doubt, Independence Day or Araw ng Kalayaan in our own Filipino language is dear to all of us and to every citizen of a sovereign state. But tonight, other than remembering the past and honoring the men and women who struggled and fought to achieve our freedom and nationhood, I would like to take this golden opportunity to give you a glimpse of the Filipino culture, talents, and our country's natural beauty. The Embassy of the Philippines in Beirut, or elsewhere in the world, has a solemn duty to protect the rights and promote the well-being of every Filipino citizen overseas. That mandate is paramount of 4 pillars of Philippine foreign policy. And for the Philippines, the protection of every Filipino worker must be guaranteed for our government to lift the deployment ban. It is in this context that I would like you who are here this evening to have a sense and feel of what the Philippines and the Filipino people are, do, and can offer. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Philippines. Come, visit our country, and relish our warm hospitality, true friendship, and contagious love for life. To end my remarks, I wish to offer a toast for the continued peace, prosperity, and happiness of the Lebanese people, and for a stronger bond of friendship between the peoples and governments of the Republic of the Philippines and the Lebanese Republic. May we have the... Yes, please.
To entertain us this evening, Here is a glimpse of our cultural dances and talent by the Filipino community and the Philippine Embassy staff, a must-see in reality upon visiting our country, Philippines. Added to the glam of this event is our gorgeous and elegant Filipiniana gown for the ladies, complemented with the Barong Tagalog for the gentlemen, which showcases our national heritage. In fairness, our kababayans looks fabulous and dazzling, worn the Filipiniana gowns beautifully and effortlessly, giving justice to its designs and creations. It is a head-turner indeed.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
The buffet completes the celebration, where our delicious pancit, beef tapa, dynamite, pandesal, and embutido are served, with halo-halo and puto as the dessert.
Kain ka na, kain ka na, kain ka na.
Embutido, pandesal.
Ano gusto mo?
Ay, nagka-dish kayo.
Cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart, temptation. Cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Hello, hello. Amazing.
Can't stop, and I miss the
Love it.
fried noodle.
China.
China.
Yeah.
Canton.
Guangzhou.
Yeah,
Guangzhou.
yeah. That's why I miss the noodles. Pancit Canton.
Yeah.
Pansit.
We call it pancit canton.
Pancit actually is noodle, right?
Yeah.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest. Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.
Thank you.
Ambassador, nice to meet you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. شو أكلت أنا ما أكلتش أنا
لا أنت أنا أتروي.
No, you try this one.
خليه يطعمينا.
Can you give him another
Yes,
one?
ice is small. Thank
Okay,
you.
here. How about you, sir?
No, thank you.
How about you, sir?
من هذا شو
Delicious.
I
This one.
This one, but what this one?
It's the same. You put all this.
No, no, I try.
Okay.
All the same?
Yeah, it's the same. But normally we use a shaved. It's a finer one, but they don't have it here. The ice use is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, just like yes, it's just like you know the snow.
I am.
That's why you have to.
Thank you very much
Yeah.
for the invitation.
Yeah.
See you.
Okay, thank you very much. I remember. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.
The movement.
Yes, no problem. Thank you.
business card for
Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you
Bye.
very much.
Bye.
You said Philippines.
have business
Yeah, I have to one.
one more card.
Okay.
I can get one.
Number.
Bye. Thank you. See you, doctor.
Yeah,
Bye,
nice.
thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. It's the best dessert ever.
National Day.
Happy Independence Day po!
Thank you. Sa'yo rin. Happy Independence Day.
Cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart
Fine, I'm here.
حتى ورا طيب يلا يلا يا خلينا يبلع شوي
So guys, the one that you just eaten is called dynamite, and it was really spicy because it was made to be very spicy. So how do you like it?
I like it like this.
Oh really? Is it surprising enough?
Nice, I like it.
Oh, thank you so much.
This is the one who have a very nice voice. Just the one who's
My name is Tera Manu.
who sing our national anthem.
Independence Day, so that's why we do it like this. Because it's we should be proud being independent. I invite some people outside our country.
I did. We enjoyed everything that you said, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. We are so pleased and honored to have you.
Thank you, dear.
Okay, thank you very
I
much.
am
And so
very
see you on
pleased
Monday.
to see. Okay. Kan Andaham.
Yeah.
Class.
Yeah, sure.
You best class.
You bring
Be ready.
the curriculum,
Okay.
etc.
Yeah. Be ready.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay. I hope you enjoy it.
Yes. Thank you.
When you're falling down, down, down.
Okay, thank you very much. And next time we're Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, very good.
Yeah, sure. In fact, you know, the dance, the one danced by the Filipino Embassy staff. Actually, it's like my project in celebration of the National Heritage Month, which is May. And I said we call it Pinoy. It's short for Filipino. Pinoy Zumba. So instead of doing the regular Zumba, we learned the tiniting, the folk dances, and 78 people danced it all at the same time. Yeah, 78. 78, including all the female staff.
Perhaps we should have had some for the guests
You can
today.
actually, they have this, she's a vlogger. She has a channel called Summer Rain. You can view the activity, the event on June 9. This Independence Day celebration with the Filipino community. And the dances there were there. So yes. So Summer Rain.
I have to say goodbye to them.
Very nice.
Oh, thank you very much.
The event came to an end. What transpired this evening should leave a legacy for the Filipino people in the Philippines and to all the Filipino overseas. Because the government is the people, by the people, and for the people. We wish that the message are felt and reached to those concerned, and that the ambassador's speech was persuasive enough. Happy Independence Day to all, and MABUHAY!
Happy Independence Day!